Trump tweets to Apple CEO Tim Cook for removing iPhone home button. U.S. President Donald Trump on Friday tweeted to Apple CEO Tim Cook for removing iPhone home button. To Tim, the button on the iPhone was far better than the swipe. The U.S. president wrote in the tweet, Apple started selling iPhones without home buttons with the introduction of the iPhone X in 2017. Something big has happened. Trump amid reports of Baghdadi killed by U.S. after reports of ISIS leader Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi being killed by U.S. Special Forces in a high-level raid in Syria surfaced. U.S. President Donald Trump tweeted, "Something very big has just happened." The White House said that Trump would make a major statement at 9 a.m. ET. in Washington. As per reports, the CIA was involved in locating Baghdadi. "One day I will be the president of the U.S." Rapper Kanye West during an interview said, "There will be a time when I will be the president of the U.S." In the same interview, West also referred to himself as undoubtedly the greatest human artist of all time. He also revealed he was addicted to sex following the death of his mother in 2007. Indians to no longer require visas to visit Brazil. Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro on Thursday said that the country will drop its requirement that visiting Chinese and Indian tourists or business people obtain visas. Bolsonaro has made it a policy to reduce visa requirements from a number of developed countries. The announcement is the first he has made expanding that policy to the developing world. "We have seen progress." U.S. on restrictions in Jammu and Kashmir. Commenting on restrictions imposed in Jammu and Kashmir, U.S. Acting Assistant Secretary for the Bureau of South and Central Asian Affairs Alice Wells said, "We've seen progress. For example, 4 million postpaid mobile phone users have had service restored." Wells sought from India a roadmap to political and economic normalcy in Kashmir and immediate release of all political detainees.